I can't tell you what it is, but I know what it wasn't. It wasn't in the kiss, even when we were buzzing. I hope it doesn't end like this. For every man and every miss, but for us it did. I said yes I do, I would love to. I had no idea what I was getting into, only to find that we were not fine for each other. But you have to do what you want to. When you find the man you're gonna seal your heart to, only to find our hearts were sealed for another. But you had come back a changed man, so I had to let you in, only to find your best friend was a woman. I can't be surprised these come as a hit and miss. I can't regret this, 'cause you were just a hiccup in my step.